Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your workspace picture on Slack. Now, at first, what you have to do is just open up your Slack software or just open up any of your browser and go to Google and search for Slack. Then just open up slack.com. Then just log in with your email. You can even use your Google account or Apple account for it. And after that, you'll be introduced to this screen. From here, under My Workspaces, you're going to see all of your workspace. Just go to the workspace in which you're an admin and you want to change the profile picture in, or rather, workspace picture actually. So just launch that workspace. Just give it a few seconds, and you might have to click on use Slack in your browser. Then just give it like 2 seconds, it will load. Now, to change your workspace picture, what you have to do is from the left hand side, just click on the workspace name. Here, there is a drop down menu. Now, from here, what you have to do is just click on the workspace URL thing here. Then from here, you need to click on edit workspace icon here at the bottom left side. It's going to open up a new page for you. And from here, it's going to allow you to upload a new icon for your workspace. It also gives you some guidelines about how your icon should be. So you can read all those. And you can then just click on upload image. Just choose a file. Then choose your logo and click on open. Then you can click on upload icon once it's selected. It's going to allow you to crop the image if you want. If you don't want to do anything, just click on crop icon without doing anything. And there you go. Your workspace icon has been updated. Now, if you go back to slack.com and refresh, you're going to see the new icon over here next to your workspace name. And there you go. And basically, that is how to change your workspace icon or profile picture on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.